Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Sagittarius. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Sagittarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, Saggis, Chariot, the 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, the World, Temperance, 9 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, 4 of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the 2 of Cups, Sagittarius, but in reverse. So there is a bit of imbalance going on in this connection, it seems. That center of my spread, the Temperance. Things have really halted. I don't know. This is... somebody is single now, or doesn't want to be single though. They don't want to be single, but very upset and angry that things have been let go of. There's stagnancy here. I don't know. Let's see, Saggis. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's happening here. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And let's take a few more from here, Saggis. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. We'll take a few more from here, Saggis. Okay, good to go. Let's go start the reading. The first card here says, we are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. I'm an understanding person and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can understand why you're not able to communicate, that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Oof, heavy reading today. Okay. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act more like an adult for our relationship to work. I'm your not so secret admirer. You know that I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I took an oath to God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. You're the most beautiful person in the world, at least my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Okay, Saggis, these were some of your messages. If these are resonating, oh, I have two more here. Okay, sorry. So one of them says, this situation is messy. The next one says, I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. Okay, so now we can begin our reading. Give me a second. My battery is complaining. And here it is. Okay, so let's start with our angel blessing card, Sagittarius. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Take care of your health, Sagittarius. I'm feeling more so emotional health, of course physical health as well, but please take care of your emotional health. If you're stressed out, talk to somebody, go to a therapist, take a few walks, yoga, anything, but please take care of yourself. Do not be stressed out. Okay, let's start your reading. Chariot in reverse, Spirit. What happened here? Why is the Chariot in reverse? Chariot in reverse. Well, things have halted because maybe somebody was being a bit of a player and they snuck away. Somebody just ran away, I think. They didn't stick around for the long haul, and that's why things have halted. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse. Somebody is feeling rather exhausted, I would say, rather overwhelmed, and having the need to feel, they've probably felt breadcrumbed here. It's time to drop the baggage, feeling that they lost, somebody got the better of them. Seven of Wands. Yeah, there's no communication, no new offer was given. It's almost like laying down the arms and saying, well, it is what it is. But Heart of Hearts not wanting this chapter to shut down. The World in reverse, yes, I think somebody's still waiting for a return. Still waiting for a return, hoping for one more round, or, hoping this chapter hasn't completely shut down. Even though it seems like a very imbalanced connection at the moment, there is, there's no clarity, there is no, honesty or integrity or clarity, very imbalanced, but there is still somebody manifesting. What is this Magician, Spirit? What is this person? A return, hoping that there can be a return. Even in the middle of all this messy chaos, somebody is still wishing and hoping that there can be a renewal of this. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, feeling rather alone, feeling their person was very unemotional, never spoke the truth, or was very cold, didn't offer anything, left them by themselves to maybe fend for themselves, and that's making one person very angry and upset. So Sagittarius, this could be you feeling this way, that things are really stuck, things are not moving, and there are boundaries in place now, maybe feeling that somebody just kind of up and left and released, feeling that there is no victory now. Things have stagnated here. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, clarified by the Knight of Cups. Somebody is still waiting for that love offer, even now. Somebody is still waiting, even though there's stagnation, somebody is still waiting that maybe we can begin again. Maybe there'll be a brand new offer. Still holding on to that dream in the middle of all this. Still not wanting to see the truth, Sagittarius. Hoping that their heart will heal soon. So I can't leave it here. So Spirit, what do you say to whoever's waiting? Whoever's waiting for the person who's waiting, I think Spirit is saying, please make a decision for yourself. You cannot stay in this place of feeling left out or abandoned, or left behind or not appreciated. It's time to pick up that one wand of yours, Sagittarius. This is a fire sign card. You yourself are so amazing. You can do so much by yourself. You are attractive. You can, people would love to be in your presence. But why are you kind of selling yourself short, I would say? Waiting for somebody who's not doing the right thing. If they do come back, I don't know, we'll keep checking. But if they do come back, let them see you in your finest, in your glory, shining like the Queen of Wands. Okay? So please take care of you. You're most important. Take care of you, your health, your emotional health, your financial health. Become this Queen of Wands and this Nine of Pentacles, amazing person who anybody would love to have in their life. So they say the best revenge is success. So go for it, Saggies. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.